delicious, perfect. Hello my healthy people. Today I am making a delicious gluten-free recipe that you can have as a side, that you can just enjoy with your family. It is glazed maple roasted carrots. Yes. But before we get started today, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your support. So I have some carrots in front of me. I already peeled them. And now I'm just going to cut the edges off. Let's just cut them off. I'm just showing you how to cut the edges off, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and do that with all the others that I have here. There we have our carrot. And I'm going to take the knife. And as you may see, it's at an angle. And I'm just going to cut it like that. Then I'm going to turn it around. And I'm going to cut it again, just at an angle like that. And then you're going to do that for all of them. If you want, you turn it this way, or you just cut it at an angle, just like that, and this is what you have. You're pretty much just gonna cut them all like this. Once you have all your carrots on your baking sheet, let's just put everything together for a second. You can use grapeseed oil, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, or you can spray it with coconut oil. Either way, it's all the same. And then you're gonna just mix everything together like that. I prefer that you spray it with the coconut oil spray. Once you just get in there and get everything coated, just make sure that the oven has been preheated at 350 degrees. We're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. All right, so let's go ahead and throw this in the oven, and then it's time to make our glaze. Let's go. So in my bowl, I don't know if you can see it, I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to get started. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of pure maple syrup. 1, 2. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't as yet. I know you're watching the videos. Healthy meals, great recipes, weight loss tips, just great. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. It's at Maxinescorner. And if you love what you see so far, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up. I have 2 cloves of garlic that I'm just going to mince in here really fast. I think I'm good. What do you think? Good? All right. 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. 1, 2. 1 teaspoon of parsley. Dried. I'm using dried. But if you have fresh, that's perfectly fine. And I'm just going to mix this together. To the glaze, I'm going to add half of a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Just mix that in there. This step is optional. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. And just pretty much just mix everything together. This is what it looks like once you mix it all together. And that's our glaze, guys. It looks so good. Look at that. Simple, easy, delicious, roasted maple glaze carrots. This is a gluten-free recipe as well. All right, guys, so let's just wait for our carrots to be ready. Then we're going to toss all our carrots in there and toss everything together. And that's pretty much going to be it. There you have it. Our carrots are all roasted. 350 degrees for 45 minutes, and this is what our roasted carrots look like. So you could just get a spoon and pretty much scoop everything up and just put it inside here. This is our glazed roasted maple carrot. So good. Let me go ahead and taste one. You want it? You want it? You want it? You want it? That was so delicious. You guys are gonna love this recipe. Once again, it's very simple. It's easy to make. It's definitely not complicated. And it tastes delicious. I'm just gonna put this on top of my bowl right here. I know you want it. It looks so good. It's so delicious. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Did we do good? So, I am just crumbling some walnuts right over this, just like that. Look at that. Perfect for you, your family. You want a healthy meal. Oh my God, you are gluten-free and you are delicious, you are healthy, and you're gonna feel good. And you can meal prep this as well. Yes. OMG. All right, guys, this is all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Thank you for watching and supporting Maxine's Corner. And I'll see you next time. And what? Stay healthy.